This is gonna be my first vlog. So I just finished my morning routine, planning out the day right now, and thought I'd show you what I have going on. I don't even think you're gonna be able to see me. I need to work on my lighting. Hang on. I always start in the morning with writing down what I'm gonna be doing for today and like a little planner so I know exactly what I'm doing. There's no way anybody's gonna be able to read this. I gotta shoot this video, then I need to edit, make a thumbnail, go to the gym, I need to buy a printer because I need to scan a bunch of stuff, and I've been doing it without a printer too long. So then I need to scan a bunch of stuff, answer some emails. I'm researching a couple people that I'm gonna be interviewing, so I need to do that. Then I have a Skype call with Ashlyn. We're just kind of talking about each other's channels, giving each other some feedback, so that's been cool. Really nice person. And then my dad just bought his first rental today, actually. So I'm going there. I'm gonna shoot some before video for him so we can do a before and after. That'll be really fun. And then I'm bonfire and hanging out with my brother and my dad tonight. Let's get into it. I spent the next few hours working on my laptop because in the morning is when I'm absolutely the most productive. But then I ran out of coffee, so I had to make more before I got sad. So I actually did forget I have to fix a few things over at another apartment because it's one of the downsides of owning a multifamily that a couple times a year you actually have to fix stuff. So these were just some minor repairs that I had to do today. While I have no real construction experience, I have done complete renovations to multiple apartments and learned a ton of stuff along the way, and most of it's not really that hard to figure out. Thought it would be taller. After that, I went to the gym and did my normal routine. Usually I go like 2 to 3 times per week and just spend about 45 minutes. So that was like a 30-minute workout. I had to cut it a little bit short because I have a phone call in a couple minutes. So I kind of planned it out where I'm gonna take the phone call while I'm driving to my next thing that I gotta do.
Now, I know you said that, what kind of car is it? What's your make and model?
Well, apparently printers are one of those things that have gone extinct recently, so getting creative. All right, so it's almost 1, and usually that's when I start eating. So since I do intermittent fasting, I usually don't start eating till 1, and then I stop eating around 9 o'clock at night, and the rest of the time I am fasted. Pretty much every single day I start with oatmeal. This whole vlogging thing is a lot harder than I thought it would be, just to live my life while holding a camera. I don't know what to do. About to have a call and go over pretty much everything channel wise, do a little review, probably like half an hour, so see where it goes.
And good to like actually talk, I guess, in person.
So that was Ashley. Just finished up talking with her about some YouTube stuff, which is always a lot of fun. If you guys don't know her channel, links in the description. I did a collab with her a couple weeks ago. Really good stuff. So now I have to shoot a thumbnail and upload a video. Some things happened, so we're not going to the beach house today, but we are doing the fire in a couple hours. So I gotta finish wrapping this up. Thumbnails are always exhausting. And what makes them even worse is that I have to move my entire house around to get a good thumbnail on the good wall. Because we're living in a place that's not like ideal, I have one wall that's relatively clean without windows and stuff, so I have to move my entire living room around whenever I want those minimalist looking shots and with the couch and on all this stuff. So as nice as like minimalism looks, things aren't always perfect all the time. Like I work all over my house, so like pretty much constantly there's camera gear and I'm moving furniture around trying to get the shot that I want. And I've got, you know, mic stands and stuff. So like life happens. You have kids, you have family, you have people come over. You know, it's just, this is actual normal life. It's not always clean and cut and looks really nice. Like sometimes it's just a real wreck. There we go, a solid 5 minutes, and it's, you know, mostly all clean. Don't look at that over there. Relatively put back together. I do this almost every day when I destroy the house and then put it back together. All right, so it's actually 2 days later. This is a rental property that my parents just got on Monday. It's their first one, so I'm doing some before video for them, and then in a couple months, we're gonna have some after. They're gonna completely turn this place around. It's right on the water, it's great. So real quick, let me show you around. So they just closed on this property, and this is gonna be their first rental. So they're gonna go through each of these units and kind of completely fix them up and then furnish them and then rent them out by the week to people who wanna stay at the beach. So they're gonna be really nice places. It's gonna be a great investment for them. And it's gonna be a ton of fun seeing this transformation. So I pretty much just went through and filmed all that so that we would have before video, just because it's fun. Only one thing left to do. Anyways, that's my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.